3, 2, 1.
Which low-key U.S. senator served Maryland from 1977 to 2006? The answer is D. Paul Sarbanes. The temperature at which all molecular motion has ceased is called what? The answer is A. Absolute zero. How are tandoori dishes cooked? The answer is A. In a clay oven. Which is a trait that a child can inherit from its parents? The answer is A. Eye color. A student flips a coin 4 times. It lands heads up 3 times. The student concludes that the coin will land heads up 3 times out of 4. What will make the conclusion more accurate? The answer is B. Flipping the coin 20 more times. What does the acronym OCD stand for in psychology? The answer is A. Obsessive-compulsive disorder. Sexual reproduction involves the production of haploid gametes by what? The answer is C. Meiosis. How old was recent college graduate Benjamin at the beginning of The Graduate? The answer is B. 20. Time magazine's 1993 Man of the Year award was given to 4 people. What were they referred to as? The answer is A. The Peacemakers. A phase diagram plots temperature and what else? The answer is C. Pressure. What is the study of plant life called? The answer is B. Botany. Which state had the county with the lowest median family income for 2006? The answer is D. South Dakota. What is the saltiest body of water in the world outside of Antarctica? The answer is A. Lake Assau. Which of these activities is used to conserve water? The answer is A. Planting crops that survive in droughts. Cold sores, influenza, and the common cold are all? The answer is C. Viral infections. When Joey arrived late at Monica and Chandler's wedding, what attire was he wearing? The answer is B. WW1 soldier. Which structure was the tallest in the world before being surpassed by the Eiffel Tower? The answer is B. Cologne Cathedral. Who discovered the law of universal gravitation? The answer is B. Isaac Newton. What is Michael Jackson's Thriller album genre? The answer is B. Pop. How often must composite air cylinders for self-contained breathing apparatus be tested to meet the requirements of the United States Department of Transportation? The answer is C, 3 years. What is a barometer used to measure? The answer is C, atmospheric pressure. Who is the first European monarch to have turkey for Christmas according to popular history? The answer is B, Henry Roman VIII. Who is the founder of Cyrenaicism, a hedonistic philosophy? The answer is A, Epicurus. What is the only continent without amphibians? The answer is D, Antarctica. In Greek mythology, who was Jason's wife? The answer is C, Medea. A new what occurs once every 3 months. The answer is B, climatic term. What causes the menstrual cycle to be repeated? The answer is C, lack of fertilization. This English novelist created the European Soviet satellite state of Slovakia for his novel Rates of Exchange, and even published a mock guidebook to his culture, Why Come to Slovakia? The answer is C, Malcolm Bradbury. From which part of the world does mango originate? The answer is B, India. Which animal has 6 legs? The answer is D, centipede. When lightning occurs, it heats the surrounding air. The hot air expands and produces thunder. The energy of the lightning is converted to which type of energy to produce thunder? The answer is B, mechanical. The Atlantic and Pacific are separated by which continents? The answer is A, Africa and Europe. The U.S. Open Tennis Championships were first contested in 1881 as the U.S. National Championships. What events did the players compete in? The answer is B, men's singles. Which iconic Joseph Conrad novel has the initials HOD? The answer is C, Heart of Darkness. What is the name of the 101-floor skyscraper, which is 509 meters high from the ground to the structural top? The answer is D, Taipei 101. Who was the evil ant in the film Ants? The answer is D, General Mandible. What is the largest religious building in the world by land area? The answer is D, Angkor Wat. What type of precipitation occurs when raindrops freeze as they fall? The answer is C, sleet. What is Bitcoin's unit of account? The answer is D, Bitcoin. Who is the first female Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? The answer is A, Margaret Thatcher. Which famous puppet hosts a children's show called Sesame Street? The answer is A, Big Bird. What is it called when one or more ending digits are dropped to get the correct number of significant figures? The answer is A, rounding. Which language is known as the language of moss? The answer is B, Norwegian. In which book series does Prince Caspian appear? The answer is C, The Chronicles of Narnia. How fast and ph can a kangaroo hop? The answer is C, 40. What structure did the Eiffel Tower replace for the 1889 Exposition Universelle? The answer is A, Notre Dame Cathedral. Which organism is able to taste with its feet? The answer is A, frog. In what country do people speak the language they call Nihongo? The answer is C, Japan. What vegetable grows underground and is often eaten boiled or mashed? The answer is C, potato. The locals of Nepal call the highest mount in the world Mount Everest Sagarmatha. What is the meaning of this name in Sanskrit?